Ito ang latest chika mga masang. Tinanong ng diretsahan ang aktor ni si Donnie Pangilinan kung sa feeling niya ba ay nakakulong siya sa pagmamahal niya sa ka-love team niyang si Bel Mariano. Ito nga ang naging sagot ng aktor. Diniretsa niya ang isang marites. No, hindi ko naman nararamdaman na nakakulong ako. It's the kindest love nung nakilala ko si Bel. You know, the kindest love is the one that gives you a home, not a cage. Because for the longest time, I felt caught and daming restriction. Parang I had to change myself just to fit in. Pero with Belle, first time kong na-feel that I can actually just breathe. Walang pressure, walang pretense, just me. Alam mo, there are days na I still struggle to believe it kasi I'm so used to fighting for my space na parang reflex ko na yung mag-build ng walls. Pero si Belle, she didn't force the doors open. She just patiently stood there, offering a safe space. It feels strange, actually, to be so accepted, so seen, and so loved for exactly who I am with all my flaws. Kaya siguro this is why it feels different. This love, it doesn't try to control me. It just frees me. It teaches me that true love is about building a home together, not about locking each other in. And that's the kind of lifetime I want. Yung pag-ibig na nagpapalaya, hindi nagpapahirap. And kay Bel ko nahanap.